I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dawn. Know you wanna ride now. I'm the one.
Hey guys, you're back with It's Just Me. And today I'm going to be doing a putty slash slime slash morph. Sorry about the background noises. It's either my house or the thunderstorm because there's a thunderstorm going on. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so first thing we're going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you is this super lava putty. Ooh, let's stick to this. Okay. Down, so you can see. So it's not like slime, it's putty. So this is the super lava putty. It's the thinker putty. Really stretchy and amazing. I already said that, but it's amazing and yeah. Okay, so that's the super lava putty. Now we're going to move on to my other putty. It's the neon flash putty. It's supposed to look like this. Okay. See, it looks like that. Yeah. So this is what color it is. It's pinkish orange. If you go far away, it looks like orange. If you go close, it looks like orange. But if you go in the middle, it looks a little bit pink. So yeah, this is the neon flash. So it's really, they call it the neon flash because it's really neon. And yeah, that's really why. So that is the neon flash putty. Now we're going to go into my morph. If you have no clue what I'm talking about morph is, it's not slime, it's not putty. It's like this weird clayish thing. It's really, I don't know how to explain it. It looks like this. It's like kinetic sand, practically, like kinetic sand. So that got a little bit. So here it is. And it's really, really soft and nice. And it's stretchy, but it's not like slime or can stretch and stay all together like bricks. It's really soft and nice, and it's really fun to play with. This is really fun to play with. So this is the morph, and I really like it. It does not come in this. It actually came in a different thing. I just bought this so that I could put it in. Okay, so now we're going on to slime. First, we're gonna do my white with little pink balls in it. I really like this one, and it's really cute. See? So yeah. It's not sticky. I'm trying to get it out for you guys. It's not that sticky. It is sticky, but it's not really sticky where it sticks to your hands like that. Okay, so here it is. It's pretty stretchy and it makes cool noises. And I love to do this and blow some bubbles. I think that's really cool. See the bubbles on here. As I said, it's stretchy, it's noisy, and it's not sticky. And yeah, it's really good slime, I think, in my opinion. Tell me in the comments below if you think this is a good slime. Yeah. If you think my slimes are good, like my slime, this one and my blue one that I'm going to be showing you, if they're good, and then tell me which one is your favorite in the comments below. So it could be like this one, or it can be like the Neon Flash Putty, or the Super Lava one, or the Morph one. So tell me in the comments below. I'm going to try to blow a bubble. Whoa, look at that humongous bubble. Oh my god, that was good. And yeah, that's really cool. Sorry if you hear the noise. That is that thing. So yeah, he makes a lot of noise even though it's early in the morning. He's still making noise. Okay, now we're gonna go on to my blue one. It's really nice, and it doesn't stick that much. I'm gonna get it off. So here's my blue one. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it out. Okay, got it out. So this one's pretty nice. Like, whee, drop. It's nice and blue. My favorite color is blue, so that's why I did blue. So let's try see if we can make a bubble with this. Ooh, that was we made a bubble with this. That wasn't that good. A bubble already. Whoa, that was a good bubble. Whoa, that was actually really good. Once I made a bubble that was like huge. It was amazing. Okay, so this one is really stretchy. And it's real, like, my slime isn't that good to mold. Like put it how people put it nice and pretty. I just don't know how to do it, like, at all. But I do know how to poke it. Yeah. See that. People have, like, these things that go on it, and then it brings it up, which I think is really cool. And I don't know where they get those, but it's pretty cool. Sorry, that's this thunderstorm. So, yeah, this is the blue slime. And again, tell me which one is your favorite in the comments below. And yeah. Okay, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, and bye, YouTube.